To start off this look, we are going to dip into the Anastasia Prism palette, and the first shade we're going in with is the shade Eden. We're going to place this directly into the crease with a fluffy brush and slightly wing it out at the end. Now dipping into the color Saturn, we're going to take a more precise brush and we're going to place this again in the crease just slightly below that first shade, and again also wing it out in the outer corner. Going back to that first brush, we're just going to blend these two shades together so it's nice and seamless. I'm sorry to have to do this. I know I'm going into a completely different palette, but I just wanted to use this color. And this is the Morphe 39A palette. I don't know what the name of the shade is, but we're just going to take a MAC, I think it's a 242 that I'm using, and I'm going to place this pretty much all over the lid and into the crease. You'll see that soon. But I just started first with the outer corner and then just wanted to blend it in with that more coral shade. So I'm just doing that here, and then I'm going to end up taking the whole color and placing it all over the lid from inner corner to outer corner. One more time, we're going to go in with that first brush and blend those edges out, and then we're going to take Eden and place that right on top and blend that up towards the brow bone. Now going in with the 242. I got the brush right this time. I'm just going to spray the brush with Fix Plus, and then I'm going in with the shade Lucid, and I'm just going to brighten the inner part of the eye and place that in the inner corner, kind of carving out the first half of that inner corner just to brighten up the look just a bit. And then I'm going in with a makeup wipe and just cleaning up all the fallout, and also going to sharpen up our edge there, just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to do some liquid liner, and I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner to create my wing. Now that our liner is done, I'm going in with lashes. These are from House of Lashes. I believe they are in the style Allura Lights. I wanted something nice and wispy, so these were perfect because I didn't want to cover up too much of the eye look. And I'm using the House of Lashes glue to apply them. So this is kind of a bummer. And yeah, my foundation clips somehow went missing, or it didn't record. I thought it did. So that will not be included in this tutorial, unfortunately, and kind of sucks. But I am going in with some black liner and placing that on my waterline and upper lash line. Then going in with the color Parallel in the Prism palette. I'm just taking a flat brush and placing that closest to the lash line. Then going in with Eden, and I'm going to smoke that out and blend out that first shade that we placed under there as well. You can bring this as far down as you like. I like to smoke it down pretty far, but you can do whatever you prefer. And then I'm actually going to darken the lower lash line just slightly with a black shade right here, and just going to place that on the outer part of the lower lash line. I'm not bringing it all the way to that inner corner. So I wanted a little bit of a pop because just putting a shimmery eyeshadow in my inner corner just wasn't good enough. So just to add a little more of a pop and some color, I went in with the shade Sphere in the Prism palette and just popped that in my inner corner, and I like it. I like how it came out. It's a little weird, it's a little funky, and I'm living for it right now. So I just put bottom mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'm going in with just a matte highlight and going to highlight my brow bone. Oh, wait, and I'm taking this highlighter and just going to place that on the highest point of the brow bone and comb my brows in place with my Maybelline Fiber Volumizer, I believe. I love this stuff. It's pretty bomb. And you can get it at the drugstore, so you can't beat that. Now on to lips. I'm just taking, honestly, I don't even know what shade this is, or lip liner. I want to say Stripdown, possibly. So I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to apply my lipstick, which I use the NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. And then I'm going to place a lip balm on top. So now we are going to set everything in place. I'm using the Milani setting spray, and you want to just make sure to pretty much douse your face in this. And this will melt everything together and make it all nice and beautiful. And this is the final result once you do that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. It's, you know, kind of bright, a little dramatic, but I like how it came out. I hope you did too. If you did, make sure to thumbs this video up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button before you leave so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.